that it's exciting for them.
Okay.
So we need to, as owners, we need to be aware of things that are their triggers and know what to do. So I see a little dog. I'm ready with this to get him immediately. So when he looks that way, I give a little noise correction, let him know that no, snap out of it.
Okay.
I didn't have to use this. He's getting the word already. The noise is also correction for going ahead of me. It means a lot. It means a lot of things.
It's working great.
But it was conditioned. Yesterday we spent our time making sure he knew what no means. And then I just say it at the right time. When he was, even though he was still wiggly, he was looking at me or you know, trying to, you know, look at the dogs, our dogs, I said nothing. When he looked at that little dog and picked his head up, so no to that in that moment. Because I can't tell him, I can't say, don't look at that little doggy. It's a nice little doggy. Okay, relax, and get it. All I can do is, you know, all I really get is thumbs up, thumbs down, or yes, no.
Okay.
Good dog or bad dog, you know, it's that simple, and you just gotta throw it in there at the right moment. At the right intent.